what's that? We're on Disney's Castaway Cay. And look, there's something right here. Whoa, it looks like an old pirate diary.
Oh, really? What does it say, assistant?
Hold on. Wait. It says that Paw Patrol will lead the way to a treasure.
Really? Where's the who hid the treasure?
Mayor Humdinger.
All right, so you got it. Let's see if we can follow it and find it.
Oh,
So, does it say which way to go?
it just says follow the rocks.
Okay, so follow the rocks and Paw Patrol will lead the way.
Yeah. Pretty windy out.
It sure is. Ooh, look at the ocean.
Very blue.
Yeah.
Right there in the rock.
What? Where?
It's Chase.
Oh, you found Chase. Good job, assistant.
What? Oh, God.
So you found Chase. Is Chase on the case?
Yeah. Well,
All right, so good job. Now we gotta go keep going.
yeah, keep looking around.
Wait,
right here on this rock. Marshall.
Marshall, that's so funny. And look, assistant, there's some birds behind you.
I know, they're like looking into the wind.
Yeah, they're like, ooh, you think they're looking for fish?
It's a flight simulator.
Oh,
Get it?
yeah. All right. You got a great sense of humor, assistant. Sometimes your jokes are so funny, I don't even get them. All right.
Fly like with the wind. So they're like in the wind.
Oh, look at this guy right here. He's like hovering. Hey, do you know what Paw Patrol's at?
Nope.
All right, just don't poop on us. All right, let's.
Like me. Like how?
All right, so let's go. It sure is windy.
Yeah.
All right, so this rocks are actually coral, right, assistant?
Yeah.
They're made from little sea creatures that deposit when they die onto the water, and it makes coral.
Yeah. And look right there. It looks like Everest blew over.
Oh, it's Everest. Well, so we found 3 members of Paw Patrol. So we found Chase, Marshall, and Everest. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so here. Oh, look, there's a Disney Fantasy. Look at the ship right there, assistant.
That's what we're on.
That's what we're at. Ooh, what's that?
Zuma. I'm
So-
surprised Zuma wasn't in the water.
I think Sumo was taking a swim and then decided that he was just going to get out
Oh.
and rest. Do you see anything?
Right here. Rocky on a rock.
Rocky on a rock. Oh,
See the stingrays.
assistant, see those darker areas right there?
Yeah.
What are those?
Stingray.
Stingrays in the ocean. So there's one, and then there's one.
There's actually like 10.
They're leading us to go that way. Let's go that way, okay?
Okay. Look at all these birds.
Oh yeah, look at all the pigeons. They're seagulls, yeah, they're seagulls. And then right there, see those dark spots in the water? Those are the stingrays. See them? They're in the water. I think the birds are interested in the stingrays. So that's where you can go and have a stingray experience, right, sister?
Right.
We've done that before on other cruises, so we're not doing it today. And we gotta find Paw Patrol, right?
Right.
Let's go.
We're still looking for the treasure.
That's right, so we found everybody by the rocks. We saw the stingrays and the birds, but we still haven't found it.
Wait, on this leaf. It's rubble.
It's rubble on the double. Let's grab him, assistant.
Yeah.
Good
Okay.
job. So the stingrays were over there.
Yeah.
All right, now we gotta keep looking.
Right here. It's Sky.
You found Sky. Good job.
Nice. Awesome. Now, I think all we have to find is a treasure, right?
Yeah, so where could it be? So there's the ship. Look at those funny looking boats. Look. They're like bikes, but they're actually like little paddle boats, right?
They go on the ocean and you can float.
That's right. So you ride them like a bicycle, but they're actually little boats. Do you think that's where they're at?
No.
All right, let's keep looking over here then. So here's a little spot. So sky was there, and then rubble was there.
Then it leads us to this little like area right here.
Uh-huh. Wait a minute.
Down there, Mayor Humdinger.
Grab him.
Oh, got him.
So you got Mayor. What was he standing on, assistant? So there's Mayor Humdinger.
A treasure chest.
Treasure chest. Is this the
See what's
treasure?
in it?
Yeah, I think you have it upside down. Let's open it. Put it in the sun. I don't think they can see it. Look at all the treasure.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Mayor Humdinger probably took that from the museum, didn't he?
Yeah, we better return it.
We better return that back to the museum. So we found all the members of Paw Patrol and Mayor Humdinger's treasure, right?
Right.
And we saw some stingrays under the water. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, pretty cool. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Hey, assistant, where are we?
In Castaway Cay.
Disney's Castaway Cay. That's right.
Right.
And we're gonna have a fun day today doing some fun activities like
Treasure hunting?
looking for sharks in the ocean,
Yeah.
running an obstacle course, and even just playing in the ocean, right?
Right.
So let's get on with our first fun day on the beach.
Okay.
So here comes the assistant on the ropes. Let's see how she does, people at home. Oh, so far, so good. So far. Whoa, she's kicking some water. She's kicking some water. That's okay. Ooh, she's like, oh, so close, assistant. Assistant, you need to see if you can find somebody, though.
Okay.
I think somebody's hiding.
Where? Wonder where?
I don't know.
Wait, maybe these buoys. Yeah, it's Catboy.
You found Catboy from PJ Masks.
Yeah,
What was he doing there?
I don't know.
Good thing you jumped where you did, or you would have found Catboy.
Yeah.
You ready to
I'm
go?
gonna go on the ladder.
Let's go on the ladder. Maybe you'll find somebody over there, too.
Okay.
So now here comes the assistant across the ladder. Do you think she's going to do better on it? I bet you she does really well.
I'm not good at this. We have to swim.
She'll do really well. Watch her go. Well, okay. Okay. Oh, there she goes. That's okay. But you better look at that buoy and see if you can find something.
Yeah. Let's see. It's Vampirina.
You found Vampirina? Really? Let's see.
Yeah.
Whoa, you found the Catboy and now Vampirina?
Yeah.
We're doing a good job on our treasure and shark hunt today.
Yeah.
Speaking of sharks, we probably should look for fish, right?
Right. I'm gonna go across the ladder one more time.
Okay, let's go across that ladder. See how she does, okay? Okay, she's gonna go across the ladder. Again, let's see how she does.
I'm probably not gonna make it.
I think she's gonna do fantastic. Or she might fall right off the bat, but that's
My
okay.
hands are slippery.
Oh, that's a tough one. How do you think you do at home on that one? Now, the assistant wants to be, what do you want me to do?
I want to be flipped over.
Flipped over. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. I didn't do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where'd she go? There she is. Well, that was fun.
Yeah. That's fun.
Can you see?
No.
Oh. All right, assistant. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
The assistant, you want me to flip you again?
Yeah.
You want me to spin you first?
Yeah.
Spin, spin, spin the assistant gently around the tree. Man, there's no trees. Merrily, 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 life is but flipped over. You weren't expecting that, were you?
No.
That's okay.
That was fun.
Do you think, should we do that one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta find that shark still.
Yeah.
So-
Okay, we're back.
Spin, spin, spin the assistant gently around the tree. Merrily, 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 life is but oh, not gonna flip her. Jingle bells, the assistant bell, Robin laid an egg.
Oh no.
What's gonna happen when I flip her into the water right now? So fun.
I didn't go. My head didn't go underwater that time.
What? Really? Oh boy. Here she comes, ready for her next fun obstacle. Okay.
I think I'll do good.
I think you'll do great. How you doing, assistant? Hi, assistant. You're back on shore.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do it for
Oh, there you are.
Okay. I don't know. I go.
So far, so good. So far. You fell in the water. The seagulls are laughing. What do you think about that, assistant? Back up the ladder, she comes. Okay. Okay, so we
We caught a fish.
are out at Castaway Cay and we've got our net and we've caught a fish.
We actually caught 2 fish, but they didn't make it.
One fish we had a hard time getting into the bowl.
Yeah.
And,
So it went away.
and we can't really, I haven't seen this. There he is. You see this? Do you see the one that's inside of
He's
here?
really tiny. It's a minnow.
Yeah, but we caught a fish.
Yeah, we're gonna release it.
We're gonna release it. We're also gonna try to catch a shark.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. We're gonna try to catch a shark.
Okay.
All right, so let's see if we can catch a shark. Okay, people at home?
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, so we now have how many fish, assistant? 2 fish. We're using our net and we're definitely gonna release them. So we've caught 2 fish. All right, assistant, show me how you catch them. All right, assistant, you got any?
No?
Why don't you use this big net here?
Okay. Here's a small net.
And so what you do is you sweep at it like you're almost sweeping the floor real fast. Real fast. Show us how you do it real fast. Kind of like that. Kind of like that.
You were the one who caught the 2 fish.
Well, say hi. Hi, fish.
There's a ton over here.
Hi, fishy fish.
He got away.
He got away. Well, let's look and see if we can find that shark. All right, so here's first. She almost fell off the little pad.
Yeah, like-
Don't do that. All right, so let's try it again, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna make it. Okay.
Do you think she can do it? Do you think she can do it? So far, she's off to a good start. And not such a good finish, though. That's okay. Super fun. Okay, assistant, now we're on the beach and we've got to find treasures, right?
Right.
All right, so you got your sifter and we got to find treasure chests.
Where is it?
I don't know, assistant. You might want to look right here.
Right here?
Yeah, let's look.
I don't-
Use your sifter.
Something's hard right here. It's a treasure chest.
Wait a minute, you got to use your sifter and just sift it up, right? And pull it right in there. So, just like
Now
that.
clean
Now
it up.
put in the water.
Clean it.
What do you think you're finding?
I don't know, but there's something to change.
Yeah, what is it?
It's a treasure chest.
Whoa, it is a treasure chest. What's inside of it?
Okay, let's see. It's a medallion.
It's a gold medallion, right?
Right. Whoa.
Wow, so we found that here in Castaway Cay. Now we need to keep looking for more treasures, right?
Right, let's
Because during our beach games we're looking for fish, we're playing in the ocean and all kinds of fun things, right?
Right.
All right, let's keep going.
Let's get going.
Wait, assistant, wait for me.
Sand's so soft over here.
Wow, so this sand sure is soft.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, I think there might be another treasure around here someplace. That seagull was a kind of a clue. You see? Use your sand sifter. Anything? So we're in Castaway Cay. There's our ship, the Disney Dream.
Nope, just seashells.
Really? Keep looking. Nothing in that one?
I don't know. Nope.
Nothing there? All right.
Strike right here.
Okay.
Wait, there's something right here.
Really? Oh, it is. What is this little box, isn't it?
Let's make sure we didn't leave anything behind.
Yeah, good idea. Let's make sure maybe there was another box or something in there. Anything?
Nope.
Well, flush that right there off in your hand. Let's see what's in that little box.
Okay. Let's open it. It's gold
take them out so we can see them. You're right, they're
Pirate
gold.
treasure.
Pirate treasure in there.
Whoa.
Wow, so we're gonna put that in our pirate chest with our other medallion, right?
Right.
And we're gonna keep on looking. All right, so far we found 2 treasures. You think that might be one too?
Yeah.
Let's see. She found something.
Okay.
She found something. I tell you, she found something.
It's another treasure chest.
It's another treasure chest?
Whoa.
What could possibly be in it?
Gecko.
It's Gecko from, wait, was that Gecko, really?
Yeah.
From PJ Masks?
Really?
What was he doing inside a treasure chest?
I don't know.
Well, that's kind of silly. All right, so I'll take that. So we found Gecko, we found a medallion.
And we found treasure.
All right. We gotta go and look hard. That looks like something, but I think that's something somebody made.
Yeah.
That's probably not actually a treasure chest.
Hey, this looks suspicious.
It does look suspicious.
Okay, let's sift
You see anything?
it. Nothing.
Let's go back and let's see if go a little deeper and see what you find.
Okay.
So it's right here by these treasure chests.
Yeah.
So let's go real deep, right? I'll help you out.
Okay.
So we're gonna go. Now try it.
I think I see something.
You think you see something in there? So she's putting it, and she's sifting it out, right?
Whoa.
Now we would use a metal detector, but I don't think metal detectors are allowed on Castaway Cay. Is there something in there?
It's a medallion.
It's a pirate medallion. Look at that, people at home. This is the last treasure that we're gonna find on our treasure hunt. Wow. All right, sister, let's have some more fun on Castaway Cay, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Hey everyone, we hope you've had fun on Castaway Cay, right assistant?
Right.
We've done some fun things on it with our beach games today. Name some of the things we did. We did a
We did a treasure hunt. We went looking for fish.
We looked for fish. We spun the assistant around really fast, didn't we? And flipped her over.
Yeah,
And we did so much fun stuff, especially like on the jungle gym.
definitely.
What was your favorite thing that we've done today here on Castaway Cay?
Looking for treasure.
And sharks.
Yeah.
But we didn't find a shark.
No.
No, just a couple minnows.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.